1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Oh, they say that absence makes the heart grow fonder, and tears are only rain to make love grow. But my love for you could never grow no stronger if I live to be 100 years old. Yeah, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. And now they say that you found someone you love better. That's the way it's always happened just before. And as sure as the sun comes up tomorrow, there'll be crying time when you walk out that door. Yeah, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time.
Thanks,
I should have repeated that last line.
Yeah. Country for you there.
Fucked it up. I didn't say that.
Freddie Fender had a version of that.
Who did?
Freddie Fender.
Oh, did he?
And when they did the break, when they did the music bit, Freddie Fender sung it in Spanish. He was a friend of Buck Owens.
Yeah.
Ringo Starr played the drums in Vic Owens' band for years.
Oh, God, my mum must have bought about 10 Freddie Fender CDs.
Yeah.
That's how many I've got lying around home now.
Yeah, well, I've got a whole stack of Willie Nelson that my mum bought.
But you've probably got them all on records, though, have you?
Yeah, I've got them on record.
Yeah. I don't have records anymore.
Here's a Tex-Mex tune.
Yeah.
I have to excuse my bad Spanish.
Arriba, arriba!
My wife used to like Johnny Rodriguez. She liked Johnny Rodriguez.
Yeah, he's okay.
Tex-Mex singer. I got a call with Johnny Rodriguez's uncle's band. Music and
Okay. I just call it
English and Spanish.
Okay.
Those naughty young people.
You'll have to tell me what the song is, but you'll know.
Probably.
Probably. That's why we love you.
I've got lots of